Right there is the door panel, and we will start off from the inner door handle side. Using a plastic trim remover tool, we will take out that plastic cover right there. Behind that plastic cover, there is a screw that needs to be taken out using a Phillips screwdriver. At the bottom, there is also a door switch panel that also needs to be taken out. We will punch in the same plastic trim remover tool on the edge and then pull this door switch panel outwards. It is attached with a plug. Just press and hold that tab in the middle and then pull the plug outwards. Behind the switch panel, there is one screw that also needs to be taken out using Phillips screwdriver. There's that screw taken out. Also, we will use a tool like this to take out that square-shaped plastic cover right there. Behind that plastic cover, there is one more screw that also needs to be taken out. With that screw out, now we will come at the very bottom of the door panel. Hold on to the door panel from right side and then pull the door panel from the bottom of the speaker side right there. Notice with that pull, the complete bottom piece is pulled out. From the top, we just need to lift the door panel upwards and it should come out. Behind the door panel, there is that inner door handle holding onto it. Just pull the inner door handle outwards and it should come out completely. There's the inner door handle taken out. With that, we are done with the takeout of the complete door panel. In case if you want to put this door panel back, just reverse the steps we did and you should be fine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.